What's up, you guys? It's Annapvlogs21. If y'all new, hi, my name is Anna. If y'all not new, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Today's video is I just got my camera vlog. So, yeah. So, let's get started. So, let's open it. So excited. We're gonna open it. Ooh. I forgot it. I don't know how I have that. Oops, I just started the back. This is what it looks like. It have all of these, and this is the camera. So we're gonna open up. If I can open it with these nails I got. Alright, guys. So open it. So this is, if y'all hear a bird's noise, it's because we have two birds. So this is like glasses cleaning, and then we have a menus, and then if I can say it open, this is what it looks like after you open. So we have a charger thing, and then we're gonna open these. Here is, I think, a strap, windy strap. And then we have a strap holder. And then we have a charger. We have a tip. And then this is for the battery charger. Here's the cover up charger. Camera, so it won't break. And then we have these two charger things, and then we also have this. So this is for this side. It has a camera case. Like, look how cute. And then here it is. This is what it looks like in the front. It has the flash. We have screen protecting, and then we have tasers off so it can look good. And then these are the buttons. And then, oops. And then once you open it like that, you can like turn around. You can see yourself like vlogging, so y'all can see what y'all doing. And yeah, I think this needs to be charged, but you can hold it now. Yeah, I think you have to charge it. So I'm gonna charge this. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay guys, so we're at the park testing on my camera roll. Yeah, soon I'll be vlogging on here. I just gotta figure out how to edit on the computer. So yeah, we're at the park walking around. So yeah.